Hello everyone, my name is Shri and welcome to my channel Shashmi's World. Happy Diwali to everyone. And as you can guess, today's video is about this delicious and scrumptious looking carrot halwa or Gajar ka halwa. And for those who don't know what halwa is an Indian traditional dessert. It's very delicious. So if you want to know how to make this delicious looking carrot halwa, then keep on watching the video. For making this halwa, obviously we need carrots. I have a combination of red carrot and some baby carrots, nuts of your choice, homemade mawa or also known as khoya, milk, cardamom powder, sugar and ghee. So you can grate the carrot using the grater, or if you have a food processor then please go ahead and prep the carrots according to it. I will be using my Vitamix. I'll put all the carrots in, select the choice of 1 or 2, the dial. The lower the speed, the coarser the carrots are. So I'll select the choice 2 and then start my machine. And you will see within 25 seconds the carrots will be grated very nicely. Since I'm using the baby carrots, I'm using my blender. So today I'll be making the Gajar Halwa in my instant pot. If you're making it in the traditional way, it will take somewhere between 35 to 40 minutes. But with instant pot, it will be ready within 15 minutes. I'll just put the grated carrots into my instant pot. For 4 cups of grated carrot, you need 1 cup of milk. Since I like my halwa to be a little juicy and moist, I will be using 2 cups of milk. Just give it a mix. Close the lid and then we'll go and do some selections. So today I'll be pressure cooking it in the instant pot. So it will be done for 1 minute. So I'm choosing the pressure cook option, going to the timer, selecting 1 minute and then start the machine. So as you can see, it's preheating now and it's cooking. And voila, 1 minute is done. So as soon as 1 minute is done, do a quick release. Just cover up the nozzle with a piece of cloth so that the steam doesn't go everywhere. Before opening the lid, do cross check that all the steam is gone from the pressure cooker. Now as you can see, the carrot looks cooked. I'll scrape off the sides and then we will start sauteing the carrots. Since I used 2 cups of milk, it's looking a lot liquidy right now. But once we start sauteing it, the milk will get evaporated somewhere in 5 to 6 minutes. If you used only 1 cup of milk, then keep an eye. It may happen somewhere between 4 to 5 minutes. So I'll just mix up everything and I'll let the milk evaporate. Just stir it in between so that nothing gets stuck to the bottom of the pan or instant pot. Now as you can see, most of the milk is evaporated. Now I'll go ahead and add sugar. For 4 cups of grated carrot, I'll end up using 1 cup of sugar. You can add a little bit more if you like it more sweeter. I don't prefer any dessert to be more sweeter, so I'll be using just a cup of sugar. Now to this I'll add my homemade mawa or khoya. This is an unsweetened variant. So if you are using a sweet mawa, then you can decrease the amount of sugar you are using for your dessert. If you want to know how to make this instant mawa at home, then do leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll post a video on this. Now I'll give everything a good mix and I'll let the mawa also saute with the carrot so that the mawa taste gets into the carrot and it becomes more delicious. Now I'll add the ghee. For 4 cups of carrot, I prefer adding 3 teaspoons of ghee. If you want, you can add 5 teaspoons of ghee. So it's up to your choice how much ghee you want. For me, 3 is more than enough. I'll saute now everything and add the nuts also at this stage. For nuts, today I'm using blanched almond and unsalted pistas. You can definitely add raisins or cashew or any nuts according to your choice. Or if you want to go nut free, then you can totally avoid them. Last but not the least, I'm going to add the cardamom powder. It's optional. Many people don't add cardamom, but I like cardamom. Now you can see it's all glossy. The Gajar Halwa is looking so glossy and perfect. The recipe is done and hopefully you all enjoyed this recipe, and if you make this, then don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below and do subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon with a new video. Thank you and bye.